Imagine waking up to see that you've made $10,000 this month, not from a 9 to 5, not from endless client work, but from a simple PDF you created once and now sells on autopilot. Sounds unreal, right? But that's the power of ebooks. Here's the thing. Most people believe writing an ebook takes months, requires being a professional author, or demands thousands of dollars in publishing costs. That's simply not true. In fact, some of the best-selling ebooks online are short, simple, and written by everyday people who just know how to package their knowledge the right way. And today, I'll show you how to do exactly that, how to create an ebook fast, even if you're not a writer, and how to set it up so people actually want to buy it. So, if you've ever asked yourself, what kind of ebook actually sells? How do I create one without wasting months writing? And how can a beginner realistically make $10,000 a month from this? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact system to go from idea to income, and you might realize you're sitting on a $10,000 per month business right now. And don't forget to subscribe to the Audiobook Studio for more ways to turn your ideas into real income. Before you even think about writing, the first step is choosing the right idea, because the truth is, not every ebook sells. What makes the difference is whether your book solves a problem that people are already searching for and willing to pay to fix. Here's how you can find those winning ideas fast. Look at Amazon Kindle and check the top-selling books in your niche. What problems do they solve? What gaps can you fill? Browse Reddit forums and Quora. People literally write out their biggest struggles there, and every struggle is a potential ebook topic. Pay attention to what friends, coworkers, or clients constantly ask you about. If people keep asking the same question, chances are thousands of others are looking for the same answer. For example, a fitness coach might notice that people always ask for simple meal plans. They could turn that into an ebook titled 7-Day Beginner Meal Plan, priced at $9.99. And boom, they're solving a real problem people care about. Once you have your profitable idea, the next step is creating your ebook quickly without overcomplicating it. These are my Amazon ACX earnings. What most people don't realize is that I run highly effective ad campaigns that consistently boost my results, like the one you're seeing on this screen. If you'd like proof beyond this, check out my shorts on this channel where I show more of my earnings directly in my bank account. If you already have an ACX account, or you're looking to get started, this is the right time to take action. I've dropped my contact link in the description of this video. Send me a message today, and let me show you how to scale your earnings the smart way. Now that you have your idea, it's time to bring it to life. But here's the secret. An ebook doesn't have to be hundreds of pages long to make money. In fact, some of the most profitable ebooks are just 20 to 40 pages. Short, actionable, and straight to the point. Here's the fastest way to create one without getting stuck. 1. Outline before you write. Take your idea and break it down into 4 to 6 main sections. For example, Introduction, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Tools and Resources, and Action Plan. This keeps your writing focused and prevents overwhelm. 2. Use tools to speed things up. Instead of writing every word yourself, leverage tools like ChatGPT to help draft content, then edit it in your own voice. Design your ebook in Google Docs or with a sleek Canva template to make it look professional without hiring a designer. 3. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Readers don't care about fancy words. They want solutions. Keep your writing conversational, like you're talking to a friend. Remember, your ebook is a solution, not a novel. Here's a quick example. Let's say your topic is freelance writing for beginners. You could create a 30-page guide that covers how to find clients, how to price your services, and how to deliver quality work. Nothing too complicated, but packed with value. Once your ebook is finished, export it as a PDF. And congratulations, you now have a digital product ready to sell. But having an ebook is just the start. Next, let's talk about how to actually set it up so people can buy it. Having your ebook ready is exciting, but the magic happens when you set it up in a way that makes buying effortless. Luckily, you don't need to build a complicated website or hire a developer. There are platforms that handle everything for you. 1. Choose your selling platform. The simplest options are Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Each lets you upload your ebook, set a price, and instantly start selling. Gumroad and Payhip are great for creators who want to sell directly, while Amazon gives you access to millions of readers worldwide. 2. Price your ebook strategically. Don't underprice your work, but don't overcomplicate it either. A sweet spot for beginners is $9 to $49. Here's why. Lower prices, like $9.99, make it easier to attract buyers, while mid-range prices, $29 to $49, work better if your book solves a high-value problem. Here's an example. Imagine you priced your ebook at $9.99. To hit $10,000 a month, you'd need around 1,000 sales. That may sound like a lot, but with the right marketing, it's very doable. Or if you price at $29, you'd only need about 350 sales a month. 3. Make the buying experience seamless. Add a clear, eye-catching description and mock-up image of your ebook. People buy with their eyes first. A well-designed cover and a benefits-driven description can easily double your conversion rate. Once your ebook is live, congratulations. You officially have a digital product business, but now comes the most important part, actually getting people to buy it. That's where marketing and scaling come in. So you've created your ebook and set it up for sale. Now the real game begins, marketing. Because no matter how good your book is, if nobody knows it exists, you won't make a single sale. The first step is building visibility. You don't need a huge following, but you do need consistency. Start creating short-form content on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, where you share quick tips from your ebook. Every video becomes a mini commercial that drives people to your product. Next, build an email list. Offer a free lead magnet, maybe a one-page checklist, or a free mini guide related to your ebook. People join your list. You nurture them with valuable tips, and then you introduce your paid ebook as the next logical step. If you want to scale faster, try paid ads. A simple $10 to $20 daily ad spend on Facebook or Instagram can get your ebook in front of hundreds of people who are actively interested in your topic. Here's a real example. Someone selling a $19 Instagram growth guide used TikTok to drive traffic and combined it with email marketing. In under 6 months, that one ebook generated over $10,000 in sales. And that's the beauty of this model. Once you create the ebook, all your effort goes into scaling. The product is already done, and every new customer is almost pure profit. Now, let's wrap this up with a recap and the final steps you should take if you're serious about turning this into a $10,000 a month income stream. So here's the game plan. Pick a profitable idea. Create your ebook fast using simple tools. Set it up on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon. Market it consistently and scale. That's the exact system you can use to turn your knowledge into a $10,000 a month income stream. And remember, these are my Amazon ACX earnings. What most people don't realize is that I run highly effective ad campaigns that consistently boost my results, like the one you saw earlier. If you're ready to take action, my contact link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the Audiobook Studio and like this video for more strategies to grow your digital income.